Hi there, my name is Adwoa, and today we're going to have a conversation about virtual meetings. I have employees come up to me from various organizations complaining quite often about the quality of meetings. So today we're going to have a conversation about some things you need to know if you want to always be known as someone who has amazing meetings, especially when they're virtual. First point, super obvious, please prepare beforehand. If you're leading the meeting, your preparation includes having thought through and made clear, what are we talking about? Why are we talking about it? And what's the call to action that I have for the people on this call or in this meeting? Those three things, just do that before meeting and you are light years ahead of many others who start meetings. I feel super passionate about this next point. If you're leading this virtual meeting, please show up about 5 minutes before the call is supposed to start. If you join a little bit early, it gives you a chance to casually engage with some of the other folks who are also joining in early. It gives you a chance to warm up a little bit, gives the audience a chance to warm up a little bit, and it sets the call and the tenor of the call off really, really well. The next point, please take roll call. Okay, we've all been on those calls where people start joining and people go, who just joined? Who just joined? Who hasn't announced themselves? Who just joined? Please take roll call. If you don't know who's supposed to be on the call, that in and of itself is a problem. Many of us are on calls all the time, and call after call after call can get very boring. So your job as the host of this virtual meeting, if you're leading it, is to make sure that there's group participation. Your job, even if you're not the host, is to ensure that there's group participation. That helps you make sure that people are paying attention, people are engaged in your content. If they know that you want to actually hear what they have to say on this call, it makes all the difference in the quality of how people perceived the call or the meeting went. If nobody's participating, call on somebody. Hey, so-and-so, I haven't heard you weigh in yet. Any questions, any concerns, any thoughts you have on the topic? Keep it open. Speaking of alignment and checking on people, make sure you check the time. Keep a timer, look at the clock, be very conscious of how you are tracking in the conversation given the given amount of time that the meeting is supposed to last. I would say at a minimum about 10 minutes before the meeting is supposed to end, check for, okay, what have we aligned on? Did we accomplish what we said we were going to accomplish at this meeting? What are the next steps and who's taking them? Try to do that at least 10 minutes before the meeting because you want to allow for some time for Q&A. And of course, my last point, which I really believe in, is end on time. People's time is so precious and we only have 24 hours in a day. So let's be respectful of the time that we all have. If you didn't accomplish everything you needed to accomplish, even in the given amount of time, still end on time and ask people if they're interested in setting up additional time to finish the conversation, or potentially maybe the conversation can be finished via email. Okay, those are my tips for you today on how to lead and be a part of great virtual meetings. My name is Adwoa, and if you're digging this content, please like it and share it. And if you want more of what we're doing, please head over to the site that's listed right here and sign up for our email updates. And before we go, please go out into the world today and act with conviction, be courageous, and live joyfully every single day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you again at our very next video.